If you're choosing between GnuCash and KMyMoney, this isn't just finance app versus finance app. It's accounting power versus everyday simplicity. So, which one actually manages your finances better? Let's break it down. GnuCash is built like professional accounting software. It supports double-entry bookkeeping, investments, reports, business accounting, and detailed financial tracking. That makes it incredibly powerful for advanced users and small businesses. But here's the catch. The interface can feel old, and the learning curve can be intimidating for beginners. KMyMoney takes a simpler approach. It focuses on budgeting, transaction tracking, scheduled payments, and personal finance management with a cleaner workflow. Many users find it easier to learn and use for everyday finances. The downside is that it doesn't match GnuCash when you start needing deeper accounting features. So, which one manages your finances better? Choose GnuCash if you want advanced accounting, investment tracking, and business features. Choose KMyMoney if you want simpler budgeting and everyday money management. Bottom line, for most people, KMyMoney is an easier and more practical choice because it handles personal finances with less complexity. But if you want serious accounting capabilities or run a business, GnuCash is still the more powerful option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.